Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT on Bitget. For that, you need to launch your Bitget mobile app and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see this more tab. So you need to tap on more and then you will be landed on this more services page. Now over here you are going to see sell, so you need to tap on sell and then you will be redirected on the P2P selling page. Now over here you will be able to see a bunch of different merchants to whom you can sell your USDT, but you need to make sure that you select the merchant that has this badge right next to their profile. If they have this badge, it simply means that they are verified merchant on Bitget. Now in order to sell it, you will have to tap on the sell button right next to their profile, and after that you just have to enter the amount that you want to sell. Then you need to select your payment method, and after selecting it you just have to tap on the sell USDT option, and this way you will be able to easily sell your USDT on Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.